In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through us19admin.mailchimp.com and craft your own email campaign. Whether you're enhancing your communication strategy or initiating your first newsletter, Mailchimp provides a user-friendly platform to achieve your goals. To get started, first head to the Mailchimp homepage by visiting us19admin.mailchimp.com. Once you're here, you'll see a dashboard with various options to explore. Today, our focus is on creating a new campaign, so direct your attention to the left-hand side of the page and click on Campaigns. This is the section where all your campaigns will be stored, and where you'll start to create new ones. Now at the top right corner, there's a Create button. Go ahead and click it. This will bring up several options for what type of campaign you can create. For today's tutorial, we're focusing on designing a custom email. So select Design Email from the list. This option allows you to either choose a template or start entirely from scratch, providing full control over your email's appearance. When given the choice, let's go ahead and start from scratch. This is especially useful if you have a specific vision in mind and wish to create a unique design that speaks to your brand. Now, you'll enter the email editor. Here, you can customize everything to your liking, add text, images, adjust colors, and design an email that truly represents your brand and message. After you're satisfied with your design, remember to click Save and Exit. This will ensure all your hard work is stored safely and takes you back to the main campaign setup page. Now it's time to specify who will receive your carefully crafted message. Click on the downward arrow next to the To field. This option allows you to choose whether you want to send the email to all your subscribers or a targeted segment. Personalization can make a significant difference in engagement, so decide what works best for your goals. Next, let's focus on your email subject line, a crucial element to entice your subscribers to open the email. Click on Subject and type your intended subject line. Keep it concise, clear, and aligned with the theme of your email to capture attention immediately. Once your subject line is in place, click Save to secure your changes. Now the final step, sending your email. With everything carefully reviewed and in its place, go ahead and click Send. This will launch your email campaign to your selected audience. And there you have it. You've successfully created and sent an email campaign using Mailchimp. Remember, the more you play around with these features, the more comfortable you'll become with customizing your email campaigns. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has empowered you to create impactful email communications with confidence.